Hi there. Welcome back to the Kel-n-Rich Show. My name's Kel, and this is my wonderful husband, Rich.
Oh,
I know you're going to get tired of me saying it, but I can't help it. I just
it's
love
a
him
nice
so
intro.
much.
It's a really nice intro.
It's just the truth.
Well, thanks. Thanks so much for being here. All right, so we just did Steely Dan's Chain Lightning because it feels so good. And
That
it
was
was
fun.
breaking in the channel to Steely Dan. Kel knows Steely Dan a little bit. And
a
in
little bit.
the end of it, she asked, is there such thing as jazz metal? Well, we looked it up. It's actually avant-garde metal, but it is considered jazz metal. So this is
Very fun.
Diablo Swing Orchestra. So I said, wait a second. Yes, Diablo Swing Orchestra. I've heard them before because they were on one of my playlists.
Oh.
And then we got 3 requests on the request engine.
Thank you.
And the other one besides Pink Noise Waltz was Voodoo Mon Amour, but I couldn't.
Amour.
Mon Amour.
Mon amour.
Thank you, Gil. But we're going to choose Pink Noise Waltz. I'm sure you'll be okay with that. And let me just see. I think that was Jan Vanderloo. We've done some of your requests before, so I know you're not crushed. And you actually requested it twice. So, yeah, so we're just going to trash that one.
The second
From
one.
the Netherlands, yeah. So this is Jose from Spain.
Hi, Jose.
And 22 years
Hi,
old.
Jan.
Love the 20-year-olds, at least the second decade.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think Diablo Swing Orchestra is my first avant-garde metal band I ever heard, and it's also weird against other avant-garde metal bands because of the mixture of genres against the path of using weird composition techniques as disharmonies.
Oh, dear.
Oh dear. No, I've never heard this song though. Usually used by other bands such as Death Spell, Omega, or Gorguts. Okay, so all right, here we go. The orchestra are a band that every genre before electronica and metal, maybe not pop or soul until the first singer, I'm sorry. And can you say that? Anne Louise?
Alois.
Lagland left the band were mixed with metal.
Yeah.
And in this track from their debut album, The Butcher's Ballroom, they show us how it would be every time with them, with soprano lead vocals, jazzy vibes and male vocals, flute, folky elements, and of course metal. So there we go.
Thanks for the write-up, Jose.
All right, so
Sorry.
no worries. So we're gonna go for it here.
Great, and so just to remind everybody, or those of you who are new to the channel, we have a request engine on our homepage of our website, knr.wtf. Go there, make a request. You can also ask a question, ask Kel-n-Rich. You can also put in some lyrics. Please don't put your requests in the Ask Kel-n-Rich section. And there's a new section for...
Forbidden videos. Those that you can't find on YouTube, you'll go to our new homepage, reformatted, gives her the giggles, and you'll look down the page in the center for forbidden videos, and you'll find there a tag cloud in alphabetical order, and in this case, when we post Diablo Swing Orchestra, it'll be under D. Forbidden videos is under F. Oh, it works with that too. Cool. All right, let's get to the music. Kel.
You can also look us up on Facebook, Richard Gafter, Gafter, and if you don't mind clicking the links and checking out our sponsors, that's always helpful.
Yeah, check out what the sponsors are all about.
Yeah.
It doesn't hurt anybody. It just spreads around the understanding of what people are putting out in the world, and maybe some of it's relatable to you. All right.
Okay.
I
Here
don't
we
want to
go.
get too
So
weird about
excited.
that. We just want to remind everyone that
Yeah.
this is how things work in the year 2019, or can work. All right, here we go. That sounded preachy. I'm sorry. Pink Noise Waltz, avant-garde metal. Here we go, Cal. Maiden voyage.
Okay.
This is weird. I don't know why this is here. Doesn't matter.
It's okay.
First taste?
I love it.
Yeah. I like the straight ahead guitar riff. It doesn't have to be complicated with that effect in it. You know?
Yeah, I can see myself playing an electric cello.
Yeah, I like it so far.
Totally.
And I like the vocals.
And I don't usually like dissonance in music, but this is good.
Yeah, it's got a tension aspect to it, which is really cool, like symphonic metal, but
Yeah.
definitely different. Let's keep going. So it also has an element of folk metal, right?
Mm-hmm.
That's pretty cool. Oh yeah. Kick drum, cool. Very nice.
Tainted sounds from haunted roads, iron tears on satin sheets, silver spoon, red through pain and then silent omens. Beneath her eyes has never seen, where dirty hands has never been. Steal from us, from me, from everything. You go despair, you tend to bring to me, to us, to everything. Time comes, only words is bringing the rain. Only words is bringing the rain.
Was the flute nice?
Oh, that's fun.
That's the jazzy part. Very cool. Oh yeah. Ah, scratchy record at the end. Cool. Oh, Easter eggs. Could be a Pink Martini song.
Totally.
That's awesome.
That was awesome.
That was such a cool song.
What a great song. What a great suggestion. Thank
Jose,
you.
man.
And the rest of you.
Yeah, the rest.
Well, there's what, 4 or 5 others?
No, there was just, it was just
No,
Jan.
just saying this band in general.
No,
Oh, my mistake.
no, there was just
I thought I saw more names than that.
let me just double check so that I don't
Okay.
screw that one up. We're right here now. We have 2 computers.
Thank you, Jose.
Yeah,
Awesome.
I really, really like that. I'm gonna have
Oh.
to listen to it a couple times.
You know what? I made a mistake. There's more people on the list, but they didn't.
Here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do Diablo Swing Orchestra instead of just Diablo.
Maybe that's what. Yeah.
Okay, let's see. You can hear them on the other side going, "It's me!" Nope.
Just the 2 of you.
Just the 2 of you, yeah. So
And there may be
Jan
others
and
in the
Jose.
comment section of YouTube, but we're
Yeah.
not going there.
Oh, sure we
Oh,
can.
You want to go there?
We're gonna go there. We're
Okay,
going
my
there.
mistake.
We're going there. We can do that. We just can't find the non-hashtags, but
Right.
Diablo. I'm just gonna do Diablo.
Okay. Technology.
We'll get everyone, all the
It's right there
Spanish-speaking
at our,
folks.
right there at our fingertips. If the internet would just.
Oh yeah,
its
we
thing.
got it.
Pulling up
No.
the subscribers by the name of Diablo.
Oh, that's awesome. Okay.
That's funny.
Diablo Swing.
That's funny.
All right, we got some names.
Okay, here we go.
You can hear him, and you can hear him. Can you hear him calling?
I can.
Guys,
we
it's
can hear
me.
them.
I
We can
I
hear
said
you.
This. All right, so Chris Bergston was the
Hi,
first
Chris.
one 4 months ago. If you're into the gypsy cabaret metal thing, definitely check out Diablo Swing Orchestra. Wedding March for a Bullet is a good jumping off point from here. Balrog
Cool.
Boogie is also good and probably their best known song. That might be the one I know. Ichdactyl. Anything from by Diablo Swing Orchestra would be interesting to listen to. That and Unexpect. Josias Guiamar.
Very good.
Hi guys, I really wonder how, considering many videos from different bands and different genres you posted, yet you missed Rammstein. We can't do Rammstein; it gets blocked immediately.
Yeah.
Also, try Diablo Swing Orchestra.
And I know
Advice:
lots
brace
of
yourself for
Rammstein.
both. Yeah, I know a bit of Rammstein as well. And thanks for your work. Keep on.
Oh, thanks so much. Thanks for being here.
Valert Crimson. I think you'd enjoy Diablo Swing
Valert.
Orchestra, any song, and Rodrigo Moras. Rodrigo Moras.
Rodrigo Moras.
A month ago, try Diablo Swing Orchestra, The Age of Vulture Culture. So there we go. So we have some more. And I found them not with the hashtag, so I was able to do.
So
Just takes a little while to search
I've
it.
mentioned this before once when I was down in Key West earlier in January at some courses. My dear friend and I were out kicking up our heels one night, and we came across Billy the Squid and the Sea Cow Drifters, and they're classified as the rockabilly genre. And so with them, they had a gypsy swing violinist, fiddleist from Prague, and it was just amazing. So when we go back to Key
She
West,
called me. She put her phone.
Oh yeah,
Like, listen to this. I was like, wow, you guys sound like you're having a great time.
yeah. Rockabilly makes my feet want to do very fast, strange things. So, anyways, love rockabilly and love gypsy music. And when you put those things together with some metal, got me. So yeah, this was awesome.
All right.
Fantastic.
Way to go, everybody.
Great job.
All right. So
Yeah.
I definitely saw it. It was coming up, and we just have a lot of stuff on the board. So we just called a little audible here. Kel wanted to hear some jazz metal, so that's why we came here. And
Yeah.
how did we get to Diablo Swing Orchestra? Because we looked up on
We were
on the
looking at
internet,
jazz metal.
jazz metal, and it came up as one of the bands.
Yeah.
Kind of
So great.
at the top. So
But avant-garde.
there you go.
Avant-garde metal.
metal. Avant-garde.
All right. Well, thanks so much. Thank you.
Fun
I
stuff.
love it when we take a left turn.
Always an adventure.
unplanned.
Yep.
Okay. We'll see you
Left
soon.
turn, right turn, Clyde. Later.
Bye.